United States consumes 25% of the world's energy resources, but has less than 5% of the world's population. Most of the energy we consume comes from environmentally toxic, non-renewable sources. Therefore, U.S. citizens contribute more per capita to dangerous and damaging greenhouse gases than any other country in the world. For much of this energy, we have a dangerous dependence on unstable and often unfriendly foreign sources. We send these foreign sources hundreds of billions of our dollars each year while providing for their defense, costing additional billions of dollars annually. This energy dependency has eliminated millions of U.S. jobs, further compounding U.S. debt problems, while they enjoy free education, no taxes, and free medical care. America and most of the world is in the middle of an energy and environmental crisis. What does the future hold? That depends on the choices we make as individuals. The question is, how do we get from here to here? We can obviously reduce our energy consumption, or we could put a 200-foot tall windmill in our backyard, or a solar panel system on the roof, but that's impractical for most people. There is a better and low-cost way to do your part. Purchase EcoWind Renewable Energy Certificates, also called RECs, and you'll be contributing to the development of homegrown and 100% renewable energy made from non-polluting wind. RECs make it possible for you to enjoy the benefits of supporting renewable energy without the expensive cost and hassle of owning your own equipment. What are RECs? To understand how RECs work, we must first explain how the electricity you use is generated and delivered to your home or business. There are many types of fuels used to generate electricity, most of which are non-renewable and toxic when burned. Some of this energy, however, is generated from renewable sources like wind and solar. All of these generation sources are commingled and delivered to you using the electric grid. It's impossible to distinguish which electrons are generated from renewable sources from those generated by other polluting sources. This is a problem because not all electricity is created equal. The reality is that electricity produced by renewable sources like a wind farm is not the same as electricity produced by a coal-fired power plant, even if the electrons are indistinguishable. Electricity from non-renewable sources release toxic chemicals like carbon, sulfur, nitrous oxide, heavy metals, particulate pollution, and ash that has to be landfilled. Renewable energy is clean, sustainable, domestically produced, creates American jobs, and keeps American dollars at home. This means healthier people, a healthier economy, and a healthier environment. That's what purchasing renewable energy certificates is all about. RECs were created by the EPA to foster development of renewable energy. Here's how they work. As renewable generators produce electricity, they sell it to the grid just like other non-renewable sources. The renewable producer, however, also creates one REC for every 1,000 kWh of electricity generated, which they can also sell. RECs act like a seal of approval that the electricity was produced from a clean and renewable source like wind. It represents all the benefits of green power like clean air, reduced pollution, and reduced dependency on foreign sources of energy. Renewable energy certificates are sold separately from the electricity itself, and when you purchase them, you get to claim the environmental benefits associated with the generation of that electricity. According to government sources, purchasing just one REC a month is the equivalent of taking 2 cars off the road, or planting 1,920 trees, or 950 gallons of gasoline not burned, or 9,720 pounds of coal not burned. All EcoWind RECs are certified by Green-e, the nation's leading independent verification program for renewable energy, and they set consumer protection and environmental standards for renewable electricity products. The Green-e national standard identifies many criteria renewable energy must meet to be certified. Renewable energy certificates make it easy to support renewable power without all the hassles of installing any equipment. Better yet, your purchase directly supports new renewable energy projects since the developers get to sell their certificates and the electricity. That drives demand for more renewable energy projects and creates American jobs and leads us towards energy independence. Your support comes in the form of a monthly subscription. You can buy 1, 2, or more RECs each month. Your level is entirely up to you, and you can cancel at any time. Get involved in the EcoWind movement. You can do this for less than 70 cents a day, and you can refer a few people and earn more than enough to pay for your own REC certificates. For energy independence and the protection of our environment, say yes to EcoWind and support our nation's drive towards energy independence. Together, one person at a time, we can build a better America.